Adultery. Meaning. Adultery refers to the act of a married person engaging in a sexual relationship with someone other than their spouse. It is often considered a breach of trust and can have legal, social, and moral consequences. Definition. Adultery is a noun that describes the voluntary act of a married person having an intimate relationship with someone outside of their marriage, which is typically considered immoral and a violation of marital vows. Examples and sentences. 1. The couple decided to divorce after discovering that one of them had committed adultery. Here, adultery refers to the act of being unfaithful in a marriage by having an affair with someone else. 2. He was accused of adultery after his spouse found evidence of his affair. In this sentence, adultery refers to the unfaithfulness that led to accusations of infidelity in the marriage. Usage. Adultery is often used in legal contexts where it can impact divorce proceedings or cause societal judgment, as it is seen as a violation of the sanctity of marriage and a breach of loyalty between partners.
English practice.